This animal smells like buttered popcorn, and it's a predator. Meet the binturong, also known as the bearcat, a strange rainforest creature that looks like a mix of a bear, cat, and monkey. But the craziest part? It has a prehensile tail, meaning it can grab branches like a fifth limb. So it moves through the treetops almost effortlessly. And that popcorn smell? It comes from a chemical in its scent glands used to mark territory, meaning deep in Asian jungles. The trees literally smell like movie night.